How to change name on Temu. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up the Temu app on your device. If you do not have this application, you can very easily head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this application. Once you have installed the app, tap on the open option and make sure to log into your account. Now, if you want to change your name on Temu, the steps are very simple. Firstly, you want to tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen. Here at the top, you can find your name. If you want to change this, then simply tap on your name. Now that is going to open up your profile. As you can see, there is this pencil icon right next to the name. Tap on this option. Once you tap on it, you can find different information about your profile such as your photo, name, bio, gender, email and mobile number. Here you can change your photo, change your name, bio and gender. If you want to change your name, tap on the name option. Here you simply want to erase your previous name and then enter your new name. Now tap on the save option. After you have done that, head back and now you can see that your name has been successfully changed. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.